Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Weebly website. If you're running an online store or simply want to showcase items for sale, this feature makes it incredibly easy to get your products up and running quickly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites and settings. Take a look at the left menu, you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to proceed. Now you'll be presented with a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the specific website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to open the website editor, which is where all the customization happens. Inside the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab, which you'll find in the top menu. This is the workspace where you can add and arrange elements on your site. Now shift your attention to the left menu and locate the Products option. This is the element that will allow you to display items for sale on your website. Simply click on Products and drag it onto the area of your website where you want your products to appear. This drag and drop functionality makes positioning incredibly intuitive. Once you've placed the product element on your page, a menu will appear giving you options to customize it. Click on Add Products to start inputting your product details. You'll now see a form with several fields to fill in. Here you can enter the item title, set the price, upload product images, and add any other relevant information your customers might need. Take your time to ensure all the details are accurate and appealing. Once you're satisfied with everything you've entered, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This will lock in all your changes and make your products live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added products to your Weebly website and you're ready to start showcasing your items to potential customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.